Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Hello and welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to share with you a recipe that I have for soap steamers. These are really good for people who doesn't have a bathtub. You can put them on the floor and make sure the water hits directly into the steamer, and it gives you relaxation and healing. The oils that I'm going to be using is going to be organic peppermint, and I'm going to be using the lavender. It's organic as well, and I'm going to be using my popular CBD oil, 1000 milligrams. If you're interested in learning how to get this, you can go follow me on Facebook, and you can instant message me there. Or you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm going to put the links above here and also below. Okay, I also have a recipe for bath bombs, but that recipe you can go ahead and find it, or I can put the link of it up here. But for now, we're going to go ahead and start, and we're going to go ahead and use 16 ounces or 2 cups of baking soda. The next item is going to be 8 ounces of citric acid, 8 ounces or 1 cup. And then 8 ounces of cornstarch or 1 cup. And I want to share with you guys, look at what a cute little like molcajetes I found at the Dollar Tree, and only $1. I'm going to be doing candles with this, with a few ones that I purchased. Anyway, then we're going to go ahead and add kaolin clay, 2 ounces. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and I put together most of my oils. I have half an ounce, which is 3 teaspoons and then I have half an ounce of polysorbate 80, or is half an ounce or 3 teaspoons is the same thing. And I'm going to pour it into here so all my liquids are together. I also have 5 teaspoons of witch hazel. And on the description box, I'm going to put links of all the ingredients that I'm using, you guys. That make it easier for you, so you don't have to go from place to place to gather all your ingredients. So this contains 5 teaspoons of witch hazel, 10 drops of lavender oil, and 10 drops of peppermint. It contains 500 milligrams of the CBD oil, which is half of the bottle. This is a 1000 milligram, and it also and here goes the polysorbate 80. Okay, so we're going to mix all of that together. If you want to add color, this is you can add the color into these. I usually don't do mine with color. I feel like I can keep them a little more organic. So then we're going to be working with this. Try to get all the bombs, and then we're going to get all our liquids, and we're going to start pouring our liquids a little bit at a time. Okay, don't pour it all like in one shot. Just kind of pour it a little bit at a time and mix it. Okay, we're going to mix it until everything comes together like that. When you grab it, it comes together just like so. The mix with everything already mixed, it feels cold, okay? And then you're going to either use the half of the bath bomb mold if you want to use that, or you can use something like this. I got this on eBay, okay? I got these, and then I got these little ones, and I got the Tree of Life I got all of them on eBay, these round ones. So all basically you're gonna do is pour it into your mold. They're you're gonna press into it. They're silicone molds, so you're gonna press into it nicely. And depending on the size of the mold that you use, is the price that you're gonna get. And I can do a breakdown on the price of these, so that you see how much you invest, your time, and how much to sell them for, okay? So I packed these really, really nicely. See, they had to be nice and tight. So I'm already done. I was able to make all of these. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let them be. We're gonna wait about 3.5 hours, or as you try to pull them out, if they're not dry, then leave them longer. Depending on the area where you live is how long you're gonna leave them out. So this is everything for part one of these steamers, and the second part is going to include how to package them, how to price them, and how much is your and how much profit do you make. Okay, thank you for now, and let's go ahead and move to part two.